You'll see our frog and prince here. We're going to change the way it looks, basically. And what this means is, this is the cube root of 8. So what that means is, what number times itself? 3 times equals 8. Well, I used to have this little cheat sheet that I used in college. You might want to take a picture of this and keep it with you. And I looked over here, and I found an 8, and that means 3. Aha! So that means the cube root of it is 2. So that means my answer is 2. So I came over here and I looked for like 125. So I'd go back to my cheat sheet and I would find 125 and I'd go, oh, okay, there. Cube root of that is also 3. Means 5. The cube root is be 5. So then I might do a 729. So I come over here and I'd look for 729. Now be careful because I see it here where it's 9 cubed. Yet I also see a 729. Where is it at? Right here it is. This 3 to the 6. Just remember that, right? But this 9 cubed, I'm looking for a cubed one. This 729 is not the correct answer. This one's 9 because it's cubed. So then I'm going to go look for 625s, and I got to, notice also, I saw that the 729 to the 6th was at 3. I'll come back to that one again too. Now I need to find a 625. Now I'm going to give you a hint. If a number ends in a 5, it's going to be in the 5 columns here. Don't notice none of the other numbers end in a 5 if you look at all those right there. So if I look right here, I see 625. Up to the 4th root is a 5. This time I looked for the 4th root. This time I'm going to go find 1024 and look for the 5th root. Well, if you look on here, here's 1024, but that's a 10. It's not the answer. So I'm going to look for another 1024. And here's one thing I can do because it's an even number. I don't even need to look at the odds. Well, here's 1024, and notice the 5th root of it is a 4. Oh, okay. So that was 4. And if you remember right, a while ago I did a 729. This time I'm looking for the 6th. So I'm looking for a 729, and it appears right here. Not the down here, the 9 cubed one, because I'm looking for the 6th root. So I'm using this one right here, 3 to the 6th. Okay, so that answer was 3. Basically what you're doing is you're looking for the root. And one hint I would give you is this. If it ends in a 5, the answer is going to be a 5 of some sort. In even numbers, I would look at 2, 4, 6s, 8s. And the odd numbers, means an odd number, look for an odd number for your answers. And you'll see that kind of here, and that reflected in these examples. Now that's one way to do them. That's just trying to figure out what number multiplied by itself that many times will equal that.